Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube in any mobile. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's do our video. First, we see the error. I go to any video. I go to this video, and here we find comments. Restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. This is our error, and we are going to fix this. Go back to our YouTube. Go to the home page of the YouTube. Back and go to the home, and here at the bottom or the top we find your profile picture. Click on this profile picture. After that, here we find some settings are changed in YouTube. Go to the here settings. Here we find settings icon or gear icon. Click on this gear icon. In this gear icon we find journal. Go to the journal, scroll down, and here we find restricted mode. Here we find it is on, off it, and go to the back. Go to the back and go to the video once again, and here we find our error is gone and our comment section is on. And if you're still facing this same issue, then your age is under the some limits, or your age is not properly add on your YouTube. It is an under the 18-year-old, so we are going to change it. This is also very simple. Go to the home page once again, and this time go to your profile picture once again, and new section. Here we find Google accounts. In old YouTube we find manage your Google account. In new, Google account only. Find it from here and click on that Google account. Here we find our Google account and select your Google account from here. Here we find our Google account. Click at here and select your proper Google account from here. If it has multiple account, then select account that you want to change date, and go to here personal info. Click on the personal info. In personal info, here we find your birth date. Go to the here and change your birth date and go back to the YouTube, and your problem is 110% solved. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.